Hello and welcome to the authoritative course on Mendeley Reference Manager. This course will act as your guide in becoming a power user of Mendeley. Learn with me, an experienced educator who has taught thousands of students how to save time with Mendeley over the last decade in the higher education sector and who has achieved the Mendeley Advisor certification. Have you been manually creating your references? Have you spent countless hours trying to cite in the right style, only to discover that you had done it all wrong? And do you want to save time? And if you've answered yes to some of these or all of these questions, then Mendeley Reference Manager is a free tool that will enable you to create in-text citations and your reference or bibliography list at the click of a button. It will also enable you to store and organize your very own library. So learn with me and you'll be able to download Mendeley and create an account, add references to your library with one click using the Mendeley Web Importer. You will know how to install the Microsoft Word plugin that would enable you to automatically generate your citations in the style of your choice and change that style with a click of a button. There are no requirements to join the course. We only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn. And do feel free to take a look through the course description, and we look forward to seeing you inside. So what are you waiting for? Get instant access to this course and start your journey to improve your research workflow and save yourself time. Enroll today, and I look forward to seeing you inside this course.